Today we board the Disney Fantasy. We'll tell you how we got boarding group 2, but we're shocked when boarding had to be shut down after us. We explore the ship and eat at Animator's Palate. Join us! Alright, we're leaving the Polynesian now. The Polynesian was a great place to stay. We really enjoyed it. They have a transport service to take you and your luggage to the cruise, and they come and get your luggage from your room and transport it directly to your cruise cabin, which is nice. And then there's a shuttle here to take us to the cruise terminal. They're showing us Disney cartoons on our bus ride. On the app they have a cruise countdown, and it's been fun watching those numbers tick down. So one great thing about the bus transportation is that you get an earlier boarding group. Sometimes it's hard to get an early boarding group, so you get on the ship a little bit earlier. For a family of 4, it's not that much more than taking an Uber. It worked out really nicely. But with the buses, we got boarding group 2. Boarding group 1 is just concierge, so it's pretty good to get from boarding group 2. 11:44, we're about to board the ship.
Disney Fantasy, we come aboard the Cross Valley!
It's so pretty here. Wow, there's a thunderstorm right now. I think the pool is closed. We hear thunder. We boarded during a thunderstorm. Oh, there's lightning. Oh boy. Wow. Well, our first stop is Cabanas to have lunch. These clocks show the times at all the Disney parks around the world.
It's a sandcastle.
Oh yeah, it's a sandcastle. That's neat. Each of the castles from each of the parks. So because of the thunderstorm, they had to stop boarding right now. It's a good thing we got on because they say Disney can't have people on the gangway during a thunderstorm. So normally Cabanas would be more crowded, but it kind of cleared out. Various pizzas, rosemary lamb chops with mint jelly, the famous fried chicken tenders, different sandwiches, turkey wraps, tomato mozzarella ciabatta, there's some soups, seafood and chicken gumbo, leek and potato soup, crab legs and shrimp, a whole roasted turkey, wow, and cranberry sauce, oh wow.
Hello, sir.
Roast beef, hello. Pasta, some meat, some grilled steak, mashed potatoes. Hello. Thank you. Cod and salmon. All kinds of pasta mix. Oh, this is pork with chow mein noodles. Salad station. They have a drink station with sodas and juice. All kinds of yummy looking desserts. Lots of chocolate chip cookies. There's stormy day to depart. Might not be having a sail away party. Or sail away party.
Well, they'll do it inside if that happens.
They made me a special gluten-free lunch with chicken, mashed potatoes, and salmon and vegetables. This is a special Oreo cheesecake that's only available on the first day at Cabanas.
It's a chocolate something.
How's the Oreo cheesecake? Jiggle, jiggle the jello. They restarted the boarding, but they're not calling each family's name just to get everyone on quickly.
Yeah, might as well.
You want to get Wookiee Bacon too? What are you celebrating? I bought pizza. Oh, awesome! That's exciting!
So the sea star always points to the front of the ship, the bow. These stars also point to the front of the ship. To know which way is the forward or the aft. This is the D lounge where they have crafts right now, but they have different events that happen in here. This cool winding hallway represents Spain. Ah, it's amazing mosaic representing Spain in this bathroom. Oh my goodness, goes on and on. Incredible. This is the Europa part of the ship. It's different nightclubs themed after different European areas. Here you can see the handles for the tube there, and the tiles that they'd have there. It's interesting. Oh, the pictures change. Oh, look, and it looks like you're looking at a window. This is the Skyline Lounge where the scenery changes. Apparently it goes to different cities, kind of like the Star Wars one on the Wish. Maybe these cities that are shown here. This is Vibe, the teen club. They were having an open house. This area is really nice. All kinds of different places to lounge and play games, hang out with other teens. They have a smoothie bar, and they have little charging pods where you can relax and charge your device and watch something. They even have their own outdoor sun deck and a little hot tub. And not that exciting, but very useful. There are laundry facilities located throughout the ship. It's pretty nice. The machines will notify you on the app when your load is done, so you know when to come back for it. This is the Quiet Cove adult area. There's an infinity hot tub here. Looks out onto the ocean. Oh, wow. Yeah. It kind of looks like Piglet. Well, the rain stopped, which is nice. They opened up the pool deck. They've got Inside Out playing on Funnel Vision. This is the Aqualab splash pad area. Got basketball court area and mini golf. Alright, we're at 6672. They put our key to the world card at our door.
What is this? A magnet or something? Can you take it off?
Yeah.
Maybe that means it's been cleaned.
Check on the board. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
It's traditional to put magnets on the door. People decorate their doors, so we got some. And since this is our second cruise, we have Castaway Club bag, and they give us these Castaway Club lanyards. And, ooh, something special here. This package was left in our room. It says, Alan, Happy Father's Day, Rachel DCL Comfort Set. Ooh, it's soft. So we have Mickey on one side, Captain Mickey, Captain Minnie. Got, ooh, a soft blanket. What does it say, kids?
Disney Cruise Line with like all the people.
Wow. And super soft on the back.
I'm excited. Been waiting this whole time. It's been a surprise.
Cool.
Hey. This is the deluxe family stateroom. So it comes with a little extra space because it has an extra bed that folds down here. So this area right here is extra. So we have some extra storage. So it's good size. Very nice. They have a little place to sit right here.
And look at the beautiful water.
Yeah, that water is gorgeous. Whew. So this is where the bunk bed comes down. They'll set that up for us. And this section can be closed off. So you have the adult sleeping area separate from this living area or this bunk bed area. They have a variety of plugs. They have USBs, regular 110 outlets, and then they have these 220 European outlets. So on Amazon we got this adapter so that we can have more plugs here. They have outlets on one side of the bed here, not the other, so European and American outlet there. Like the lamps here. Pretty small TV. The stamp collection with different Disney characters. So all the walls are magnetic, so you can get these magnetic hooks for extra storage.
You have to get the gorilla ones.
The gorilla hooks is what we got. So we add some hooks to the wall. These are the gorilla hooks we got on Amazon. In the bathroom, there's two separate bathrooms. There's a little step up. So on one side we have a sink with a shower, kind of a deeper shower. And we have the H2O soaps with a rainfall shower head. This side we have the toilet. It's nice they have a separate toilet area and two sinks. There's a small refrigerator here. It's actually a decent size. And in the closet, we have some storage space, hangers, and another one with a safe. The room is on the 6th floor aft, starboard side. We did feel some engine vibration, but not too much. The deluxe family stateroom was the perfect size. There was plenty of storage with drawers, closets, and shelves. There's also storage under the bed where you can keep suitcases. Oh, that's a lot of water splashing around.
Are we actually moving?
We're just gonna start. Yeah, we're going sideways.
I can feel it. Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Disney has rotational dining where you dine in a different restaurant each night. And our first is Animator's Palate. The butter knife looks like a painter's brush. They brought me some gluten-free bread. This is the black truffle pasta persets. Pasta purse is filled with truffle-scented cheese and coated with a delicate champagne sauce.
It's delicious. Yeah, it's DCL Duo's favorite wine.
This is the smoked salmon tartare with dill, capers, onions, pickles, and horseradish cream. This is sliced serrano ham with manchego cheese and olive tapenade. This is the baked potato and cheddar cheese soup with bacon bits and chives.
It's really good. It's really cheesy.
Yeah, that was a delicious appetizer. That smoked salmon is really good on the gluten-free bun. It's like perfect. Rachel and Rebecca like the truffle persets. This is shaking. It's like Jurassic Park.
Oh my goodness, look at the tables is pushy.
This is the ginger teriyaki dusted Angus beef tenderloin served on wasabi, mashed potatoes with bok choy and a tamarind barbecue reduction.
All right, princess, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy it, everybody.
This one in here, right?
Wow. Mickey is in a smile for you. Hello,
Oh, really? Yeah. Any more?
This is the panette bolognese. Panette pasta with a rich bolognese sauce garnished with shaved Parmesan Reggiano and toasted garlic ciabatta. This Animator's Palate is a lot different than the one on the Magic, where in that one you see animation of all different Walt Disney animations, and it goes from black and white to color.
There was like all the movies. It was really cool, and then like the happy end, the sad part, and then the happy ever.
Yeah, I was neat how they showed similar themes in different movies. Where this is all themed from Finding Dory, Finding Nemo, and it's similar to Turtle Talk with Crush at the parks, where the Crush comes and talks to the guests, which is pretty cool. But if you're not near one of the screens, then it's a little less cool. And we're kind of in the middle, but we're kind of watching the show from a distance.
But it's not as nice because we're just watching people interact with Crush and we're not interacting with them.
The steak was pretty good, a little bit chewy in parts, pretty good flavor, not a strong flavor. I'd say it's about a 4. The wasabi potatoes were really good. I enjoyed the potatoes. Oh, the light is changing on us.
The steak was like good, but I needed more flavor. I thought it was like a good steak, but nothing special.
The pasta was great. I really liked it. I give it a 5 out of 5. Highly recommended.
The meat was really delicious.
You ate the whole adult meal.
There was no like chunks of fat in it, and so it was really good.
Yes.
If you don't want the wasabi mashed potatoes, you can always ask to switch it out with mashed potatoes or french fries.
Sunday has cookie crumble and Oreos.
And it has ice cream.
It's the best. Again, baked pieces of Oreo and baked pieces of chocolate chip cookies. So 2 cookies in one. Delicious.
We're at the Buena Vista Theater. We're gonna see Guardians of the Galaxy number 3. Instead of movie previews, they just have Disney commercials. Every night they bring us a little towel, make a towel creature, and they left us some Sweet Dream chocolates. And they set up the bunk beds. The cabin staff put little cord ties on our cords. That's so nice. A nice little touch. All right, we had a good day. Time for bed. Tomorrow we have a day at sea. If you like this video, give it a like and be sure to subscribe so you can join us on the rest of the cruise. Tomorrow we get massages, we'll show you Senses Spa, we get brunch at Palo. We have fun at the pool deck, it's formal night at Enchanted Garden, and we watch the 25th anniversary fireworks show. We'll see you then.